Hi there, I'm Jared Dillingham. Let me show you the easiest and best way to get from Vienna to Bratislava or vice versa. Americans love making good use of the trains in Europe, but if you're in Vienna, Austria, let me suggest taking a different mode of transportation if you're heading east to Bratislava, Slovakia. The cities are very close together, so you could even make this a day trip on the Twin City Liner. It's a high-speed ferry that runs between Vienna and Bratislava on the Danube River. The ride is about 75 minutes. There are only 3 departures a day at most from each city, so you'll have to do some advanced planning on this one. In Vienna, the port is conveniently located along the canal in the center of the city. Boarding begins 30 minutes before departure. As soon as the arriving passengers disembark, you can walk on, throw your luggage in one of the racks, and then find your assigned seat. So let's talk about the seating. There are more expensive seats up front. Compare them to the far less expensive seats toward the middle and back of the boat. There's really no difference. As the boat goes slowly through the canal, you have to remain seated. As soon as it enters the Danube River, it speeds up. And that's when you're allowed to get up from your seat and walk around. So the view really becomes the same for everyone, no matter which ticket you purchased. And the Twin City Liner really moves. The scenery is pretty in parts, and you'll pass a couple small towns along the way. Less than an hour and a half after boarding in Vienna, you'll see Bratislava Castle come into view. The Twin City Liner docks in a convenient spot in Bratislava. Once you disembark, it's just a quick walk up to the beautiful city center, again creating a great opportunity for a day trip or longer. And the same advice is true in the opposite direction, also very easy to go from Bratislava to Vienna.